Hello, and today I'm going to show you a cool trick that you can do with the number 11. Some of you may have already seen this trick before, but what it involves is finding the product between 11 and some two-digit number. So the trick is that let's say you're multiplying 11 by some sort of two-digit number. For example, let's just say 20. Now, just by looking at this, we can already tell that this is 220. But there's a better trick for doing this if you're having a number like maybe 65 that's tougher to multiply against 11. So what you're going to do is first you take the first digit of the number, 2. The middle digit is the sum of the two numbers, so 2 plus 0, which is 2. And the last digit is just the last digit. And so therefore 11 times 20 is 220, which we already know. And since we already know, we can verify that this is true. And so we can do this with any two-digit number, as long as this is 11, and this is some sort of two-digit number. But why does it work? So let's just make this general. Let's say we're multiplying 11 by some number x, y. So xy right here is, let me just fix this, xy, and xy is some sort of two-digit number where x is our 10-digit number and y is our ones digit. So let's start to multiply 11 by xy, and we'll just do this the normal way. So xy times 11, and this is not to be confused with an x. So let's just start multiplying. And when we're done, we end up getting x. The first digit is x. The second digit is x plus y. And the last digit is y. And that is exactly what we got before, because this is x plus y, this is y, and this is x. So now that we've got that cleared up, what else can we do with multiplying by 11? Now, most of you have only seen the trick with two-digit numbers where you multiply 11 by a two-digit number, but what happens if we multiply 11 by a three-digit number? Let's say 649. And you may need to get your calculators to verify this, but how you do it is, first you have the first digit again. The next digit is the sum of these two digits, which is 10. Which, since this is 10, we just round this up, which becomes 7. Of course, this is more complicated, and then this would be 0. Then it's the sum of these two digits, which means we have to change this to 1, and this is 3. And the last digit is just 9. Now that was a bit complicated, and we'll do another example later by proving this. So first, First, we'll just do the same thing that we did before, and let our three-digit number be x, y, z. So we'll do our normal multiplying as usual, times 11. So now that we multiply 1 by xyz, we'll get xyz, and then xyz, and then we just add them together. Of course, we already know how to do this. And then we have x, and this is kind of hard to see. So in general, we see that the first digit is x, the second digit is x plus y, the next digit is y plus z, and the last digit is z. And of course, we'll have to round up later, because if this is greater than 10, then we'll have to add 1 to x, and if this is greater than 10, we'll add 1 to this. And if we're multiplying by four-digit numbers, well, we can just say our number is ABC. And since we've already kind of had like a similar method for doing 2-digit numbers and 3-digit numbers, I'll leave I'll leave multiplying 11 by 4-digit numbers to you to solve. And of course, it's not that hard to prove any of these. So thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed. Please remember to like and subscribe, and also check out my channel for more videos.